Hey there, it's Ajarae Coleman, and we're going to talk about some communication tips for dealing with your family. As actors, we've all had the experience of having trouble communicating exactly to our family how the entertainment industry works, right? If your family is like mine and they're all in the education industry, I have teachers, I have substitute teachers, I have school secretaries, and they just have no idea what it really means to progress in the entertainment industry. So they might not understand why you've been in LA for 4 years and you're not a movie star yet, right? And we know that that's a completely unreasonable expectation for most people who are pursuing the career of acting. So I have a few tips for you around this. The first thing is to make sure that you're open to communicating with them about how exactly it works. Don't expect them to know how it works. I'll give you an example. I was home for the holidays one time and hanging out with my aunt and uncle. And my uncle gave me a suggestion. He said, you know what? You should really be on SNL. I see a lot of people whose careers just kind of take off after they're on SNL. And I'm like, you know what, Uncle Carl? I'll get right on that. Yeah, that's exactly how it works. But what I should have done is explain to him why that's not really how it works, and maybe even shown him an example of an SNL cast member and what their actual trajectory of their career has been on IMDb, right? That they were actually probably in the game for 10 years, 12 years before they booked a role on SNL, which is a really huge accomplishment. My other tip for you is to consider starting a quarterly email newsletter for your industry fans, and don't forget to add your friends and family to those updates as well. That way you can communicate the things that lead up to bookings, like, oh gosh, I got a new agent, or I'm learning a new skill in acting class, or I'm networking with casting directors in workshops and just achieving so much momentum that way. If they really understand the little things that go into the bigger milestones like bookings, then they'll be able to be much more supportive and knowledgeable about what you're actually going through as an actor. So I hope that helps. Comment on the blog if you've ever had this experience. We want to hear your stories, and I will see you next week.